So, peace and blessings to you. Sophistic Mystic here. Once again. Ink. Rosewater, Musk, and Saffron ink. The legendary ink of Sufi occultism and magical Islam, Sufism, whatever. Yeah. So one of the things, if you read the occult books, like Shams al-Marif or whatever, this will get into your, quite often into your face, no? You will read it. The ink and the parchment. They're like the basic things for this talismans and amulets and whatnot. So either you buy it, the ink, possible, yeah, or you would make it your own. So this is how I do it. For this, I have to say I'm not sure if it's done right or no, because I didn't find a receipt for it. But I did my best, and I have the learning process. And yeah, maybe I should put a disclaimer now that these videos are just like for, because this knowledge is not easy to find, no? This is like the kindergarten level here, no? What I do. Just talking about some stuff, playing, making experiments, and at the same time not saying like, oh no, I cannot do it, so I will not do it, I don't know how, and so on. So just do it. This is also a message, no? Play and make mistakes, maybe. This is how we learn, no? So, this is my version of the ink. Mine is black because in the end I mixed it with some ink I bought in the shop, no? Basically. It lost some of the blackness because there was some water in the solution, but it has the purpose, no? So what I did, I put the saffron, I took a whole package, and I think one point is important. The more intense you make it, and the more dense and more incense is inside, the more powerful and blessed it is, no? Maybe also the times are important, no? But basically you take the saffron, and then you can either buy the rose water, or you buy the rose leaves of the flowers, rose flower leaves, no? And yeah, you can make an extract maybe, but you can make like a tea also, like cook it, then you put it inside, and then you have to, like, I left it for 1 day or for 2 days. It took the color of the orange and the red a little bit, and it was smelling like rose water and saffron, no? So this is the first step. Then the mask is the hard point. It's the tricky one. So a few drops of mask, they may cost like between 100 to 200 euros. You have to buy them. You have to buy them because otherwise you cannot get it. Well, how to get it? You go and hunt the musk deer, and then you get this organ, and then you put it into an infusion. Yeah. Well, it may be possible, but if you are in a situation, I don't have to explain this to you, I think. So you buy it, and then you just put some drops into your mixture. You can put all of it, but yeah, I just put some because as some drops cost 100 euros, so I'm very, very greedy. I think if you put all again, it will be very potent, powerful, no? And then you mix it with, if you want to have it black, for example, if it's strong enough, it's enough, yeah? Because it will have the red and the color, the orange, red, pinkish color. But otherwise, if you want to have it black, you can mix it with some other ink. Ah, yeah, and you have to look that it will not demold after you put the rose and the saffron. You have to take it out, yeah. Okay. But once it's done, you could use it as a perfume, basically. It really smells good, and it's fun to work also. Every time you open it, or wow. So this is how you do it, and I hope you can start doing it your own. If I have some better things regarding this ink, I will post them, but this is now the status now. The status quo. And you can also, like, what is another topic? How to make the black. From the oil lamps, you can scrub the black things. And then, yeah, it's another topic. So, for today, thank you for listening. Peace and blessings. Subscribe to the channel. Wow, I said it. See you next time.